We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, welcome back. We will continue the attributes. Here now we will define our attributes. First one which I am going to define is type of the light fitting. And for this type of light fitting, the data is not going to change at all. So I am creating this attribute as a constant. Let me tag the attribute as type. And default I am giving LF1. Let me change the text height to 12.5 to match with the existing text here in the drawing. Place the attribute above the asset ID. Now we will create another attributes with tag, manufacturer and cost and place it below room number. That attributes are also made constant. Since the manufacturer name and cost of the light fitting is not going to change throughout the project. Let me make the default value as Philips. And for cost 1200. Next we will create attributes for asset ID, circuit number, DB reference, room number. All these may vary for the light fittings throughout the project. So I am not defining this as constant. Now we have all the attributes ready. Next we will define the block with all the object we created here. Let me name block as light fitting LF1 to recognize easily. To know more about creating blocks, please watch our other tutorial videos. Let us insert the light fitting block we created. See, it is asking some data. You can see it in the pop-up window on the screen. The attributes which we created in constant mode will not reflect in this dialog box. You can give the actual data here in the window and can close it. Every time when you insert the block, it will ask for the data to be given. You can copy the block and can change the values in the new block. For that, double click on the block. A new window, enhanced attribute editor, will open where you can change the values. Now we have some blocks here in the drawing. Next, I need to list the blocks as per the details we provided in order to make the estimation or BOQ. So let us extract the data from the drawing. To extract data, the command is dx, or else you can find it on linking and extraction ribbon under insert tab. It is a new window of 8 pages. We will go default here in this page and click next. We have to save a supporting DXE file somewhere in the folder the drawing is saved to run the data extraction. This is actually some linked file to run the data extraction. Now you can see your drawing name there, and you have an option to add drawings or bunch of drawings to the extraction, data extraction. I am going default option and click on next. Now we will get a page to select what are the objects to be considered for the data extraction. Here let me choose the blocks with attributes only. Click next. Here I am filtering for attributes only. All other options are unchecked, and uncheck all the options. You can select what are all the details or attributes to be filtered. I need circuit number, cost, TB reference, manufacturer, room number, type, anything, asset ID, okay, these are all the things we have prepared. Manufacturer, cost, everything is done. Here you will get the list with count and values. This name is the block name. If you don't want to display this block name, you can hide it. Click next. You can place this list as a table and can place it in your drawing, or can save it as a Excel file for further computing. So I am ticking the both. So this will ask for the table style. If you have prepared any table style, you can follow that one. See, your mouse will have a table. You can place it in your drawing. Excel file is also available here. You can compute the total cost and you can sort it out using all the facilities available here. So this will make your material takeoff easy in your work time. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe us for more videos.